Let's make a mouth-watering crunch wrap supreme. This recipe makes a total of 3 crunch wraps. It is absolutely dreamy, filled with perfectly seasoned meat, filling, and cheese. First, we're gonna get all the ingredients ready by chopping 1 onion and tomatoes to make about 3/4 of a cup, and finally dicing 3 cloves of garlic. Next, into the skillet, add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add 1 pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, onion, 1/4 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper, garlic, and about 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now let's wrap it up. Onto a large tortilla, add ground beef, queso cheese, crunchy tostada, sour cream, lettuce, tomatoes, grated cheddar cheese, and small tortilla. Wrap it up and cook it in a skillet with a little bit of oil until crunchy texture. And voila! If you like recipes like this, follow for more. Bye!